Registration. Creating new account. Creating your ŠKODA ID on the ŠKODA-Connect.com portal is step number 1 of the registration process. You will find the link to the ŠKODA Connect portal on the importer's website or enter www.ŠKODA-Connect.com. Completing this step will enable you to make full use of the functions provided by ŠKODA Connect services. You will use the ŠKODA ID login to all ŠKODA applications and services. Therefore, if you already have created your ŠKODA ID, you can simply log in. In case that you do not have your ŠKODA ID yet, we will now show you how to proceed. The only thing you need for the registration is your email account. Click on the Login/Register button, then select Create Account. Enter your email address and password. The Check Your Inbox notification is displayed after accepting the terms of use and data privacy policy. Open the verification email and click on the Verify Your Email Address button. The ŠKODA ID registration site will reopen and ask you to allow access to your personal data. You can now continue the creation of your ŠKODA Connect user account. At first, select your country and language. Then enter your personal data, first name, surname, etc. Then you create SPIN. SPIN is a 4-digit code that is required when using selected services. Please read and agree with the legal documents. To activate the services in your vehicle, you will need to pair it with your newly created account. Wait until you know your new vehicle's VIN number. You can also create your ŠKODA ID in the ŠKODA Connect app or in the infotainment system of some of the models. Here, the registration process is the same as in the portal. Activation. Generating PIN. The Connect portal displays a screen for entering the vehicle identification number, often known as the VIN or chassis number. If you aren't sure where to find your vehicle's VIN code, a guide is available on this manual link. Enter the VIN code and click on Continue. The Connect portal displays a list of services that you have ordered with your new car. These services are determined by the vehicle configuration and the type of infotainment system. The Connect portal generates a pairing code that you will need to enter in the infotainment system in your vehicle. This code is valid for 30 days. In some of the vehicles, you will need to activate the services by pressing Unlock button on both of your keys. If you don't know how to enter the code into your infotainment or how to proceed with the car keys activation, you can display the step-by-step guide. You can also register your vehicle in the ŠKODA Connect app or directly in the car. The procedure is the same in every case. Data connectivity. Before pairing the vehicle with your account, it is necessary to connect the car to the Internet. Depending on the car model and generation, the data connection for infotainment online may be required. Models with the new generation of services don't require this connection. The car will connect to the Internet automatically. 4 connection options are available. Wi-Fi hotspot, created by your mobile phone, LTD module, USB car stick, and Bluetooth RSAP. The choice depends on the type of your navigation system. With the Adminson system, you can use a Wi-Fi hotspot or the USB car stick. With the Columbus, it is either a Wi-Fi hotspot, the LTE module, or Bluetooth RSAP. To set up connection using the LTE module or the USB car stick, proceed as follows. Insert a data-enabled SIM card into the SIM slot in the LTE module. The slot is located in the lower of the 2 dashboard glove compartments opposite the passenger seat. Car stick. Insert the car stick into one of the vehicle's USB ports, for example, in the center console. the infotainment display shows the following dialog windows to gradually enable you to choose from the connection mode, either data only or data plus phone calls. Configure the network settings, roaming, on or off, data connection mode. This action activates the signal icon in the top bar. The vehicle is now connected. To set up a connection using a Wi-Fi hotspot, WLAN, proceed as follows. Activate the hotspot function in your data-enabled mobile phone or use some other existing network. Select the settings and WLAN on the infotainment display. Then select the required network and enter the network key. The vehicle will now be connected. Vehicle pairing. Having successfully completed your registration on the ŠKODA Connect portal, you need to activate this service in your vehicle. Check that your vehicle is connected. Press Menu in the navigation system. Select Settings, ŠKODA Connect, Online Services, and Registration. Enter the PIN code generated during the portal activation and press OK. In some of the vehicles, you will need to activate the services by pressing Unlock button on both of your keys. The infotainment system confirms that the ŠKODA Connect services have been activated in the vehicle and that the vehicle has been paired with the respective account.